Hi everyone, this is KGO Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kiev, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, Mariel naman and Arvery. My God, mga storyteller talaga ito. Grabe naman ang TNT. Uy, parang first time ko kasi itong gumawa ng ganitong klaseng reaction video na parang araw-araw may TNT ako. Ang gagaling pala talaga nila at ang ganda pala talaga. Kung masubaybayan mo ang kanilang, what do you call this, ang kanilang journey. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Ito na. Go! Magaling din to eh.
Mula sa pang-alam, Mariel Rose Reyes.
Mariel Rose, ano kakantayin niya? Oh, tinawaan ang puso ko dun. Copy yung low notes niya. Oh, nice. Wow! Wow! Oops! Oops! Okay. Wow! Ganda ng konting-konti na lang. Feeling ko magka-crack na pero maganda pa din. Wow! Solid siya. Medyo nagka-crack lang ng slide. Nagka-crack lang ng slide. Oh, nice. Hindi naman siya crack, pero munti ka na. Galing, 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 galing. Ano kayang kakantay ni Arvery? Ito na si Arvery. Si Arvery niyo. Magaling din to eh.
Mula sa pang-alam, Arvery Lagoring.
Arbery. Ito din, bata ko din to eh. Grabe, ano mo, pang teleserye talaga yung boses niya. Ay, English? Wow!
Tell the story of how great a love can be.
Ooh!
The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love he brings to me. He fills my heart. He fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with
Wow!
wild imaginings.
Wow!
Fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with him around. Who could be lonely? I reach for his hand.
Galing ah!
It's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I'll need him till the stars all burn away, and he'll be there. He fills my
Wow!
heart with very
Wow!
special things.
Galing.
With angel songs, with wild imaginings, he fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go,
Papatahimik ka na lang talaga sa kanya.
with him around, it could be lonely. I reach for his hand, it's always there. It's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in
Oh
a
my
day?
God!
I have no answers now, but this much I can
Oh my God, the emotion.
I know I'll need him till the stars all burn away, and he'll be there, and he'll be there,
Ay!
and
Oh my God! Grabe! Grabe to. Wow! Grabe, wala akong masabi dito ah. Grabe, grabe.
Mariel Rose
Ang lala.